Hi friends, you need a perfect website for your business, and if you are looking for a serious and clear business WordPress theme, this video is for you. In this video, I have a very clean creative business theme called Cooper, and in this video we are going to install Cooper WordPress theme along with the demo content, and we will preview the theme options to understand all the possibility with the Cooper WordPress theme so that you may take your decision for this theme. And Cooper is a clean business theme. It makes theme becomes exquisite and attracts the readers. Okay, the theme comes with clean page elements that can be suitable for all type of business, and the theme has been developed by the Maton. Okay, the Maton, and the Maton are elite authors. The theme came into existence in 2016, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. It had all the features like WooCommerce compatible WP bakery page builder, real one-click data, live customize options, and all such things. And it is compatible with the latest browser and all the latest version of WordPress and also things. So you will be able to make a clean and perfect website using this theme. If we talk about the demo, this is being the demo website using the Cooper WordPress theme, and it has very serious and clear elements, and it is presenting the content in a very professional manner in a simple way. So it is very fast in loading, so you can preview the speed. So it can be a very good catch for you if you are looking for a very clean and minimal website. Okay, so let us begin the installation. First, I have a fresh installation of WordPress, and it is running 2021 WordPress theme. I will go to the backend, and I got the theme pack. And the theme pack, I have documentation, dummy data has been given in the contact form, has been given in the text, and XML format data is available, licensing, the main theme file, and the child theme file is here. So we shall be using cooper.zip file for our theme upload purpose. So let us upload the theme first. Go to the theme section, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose cooper.zip and simply click on install now. You can even upload the theme directly using your file manager to the WP content themes folder, or using FTP manager. Whatever is comfortable for you, you may choose that particular method of uploading the theme. WordPress interface sometimes gets fades, so this is why I told you both the options. So I am uploading through the WordPress interface, and it has been installed successfully. Let us go to the plugin page, theme page, and this is being the Cooper theme page, and let us check the details. This is Cooper version 2.1, and now we can activate the theme. Upon activation, we got a simple alert that it is saying that we need to install certain plugins, and these are only 3 plugins that is required and pre-packed with the theme pack, and even Inverto toolkit is not required. But it is very good that this theme is having less dependency, almost no dependency on external theme and external plugins. So it is very self-sufficient WordPress theme, so no external plugins are being used. Just a page builder, that is WP bakery page builder, is being used for this, and portfolio post for theme turn themes. Okay, so basically these are 2 plugins that are being used, and the less number of plugins being used on any themes makes it more stable. So stability is also a very big factor if you are having a business website, and for a startup it should be very stable. Website should be very stable because you cannot change theme on day-to-day basis. So okay, so we have to install all these 3 plugins, and I'm installing all plugins in one click. So all got installed in a second only, and now we have to activate. So you can avail this theme by following the link given in the description of this video along with the hosting plan as you choose. All will be available. Just follow the link given in the description, and you can even avail the pre-installed theme so that you may just start putting your content and start your website immediately. So it is all available for you. Just follow the link. And now we have installed the theme and plugins as well. So let us take a look. This is being the look of Cooper clean creative theme, and it is really clean. So it is showing nothing. It don't have any data. So it is also not looking perfect somehow. So now let us check with the one-click demo data, and we can import the demo data using this. This is the options: download demo data attachments, please back up your current. Okay, so we don't need backup because this is a fresh installation. Import demo site widgets. Yes, we will like to import the demo site widget, and simply click on import demo data. So we are trying to make a demo website first to understand the complete theme features and what can be done with the theme. So demo data import is going on, and it may take a minute or two. So we have to wait on this page without refreshing the page or hitting the back button. And now it is redirecting to the page, and it is loading. I don't know what is going to come, but yes, it is loading. And we got this website. This is complete website now, and it is perfect, and we got all the components in the demo import, and demo import was complete. And I just made a change in the background. So there was some problem in the top bar area. It was active like this, so I'll show you where to make this change. Brand logo and header, under customize option you have to disable this top bar because it was creating some trouble like this. So I received this website with the demo like this, and I'll show you again what was the trouble, and I just resolved that trouble by disabling the top bar, and now it is fine. Somehow it is good. Okay, so this was the problem, and this is why I disabled the top bar, but again I enabled and it is working now. So just in case if you are having in the top bar area, you can disable the top bar. The rest of things is fine with this theme, and we have this website now. And okay, so there is nothing like technical thing, and we are now in a stage to put our data, and we shall be able to launch your website soon. And now I'll show you in the background what we got in this installation. So import demo data we have already used, and nothing is additional in this installation because this is a minimal theme. We have to control the complete website from the customize option. So I'll show you the customize option. This is being the site identity, general options, so you can change the brand color and loading text here. Font, just in case if you want to change. Brand logo and header I have already shown you. So and the top bar you can change the top information like phone number or email IDs here. And content options, background, image, social links, footer, extra widgets, and homepage. So these are only few settings that is available with this theme, and it is being a very minimal theme, and you can use this theme for the basic purpose of basic business website, and no additional feature is available with this theme. This is just going to give a presentation to your business, so you can choose this because sometime you may need such themes for making a clean and clear website and serious website, you can say. So all is good with the Cooper WordPress theme, and we got this website, and you can set rest of things by putting your own content, and you will be able to launch your website. I believe this video is being helpful for you, and you may ask any question just in case if you have any queries regarding this theme in the comment section of this video, and you can even get in touch with me by following the link given in the description, and you can get the theme and that particular link as well. So let us meet in our another video with a great WordPress theme, plugin or utilities. Keep building. Thank you.